Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to the family.
Yeah. Welcome to the fam.
We don't even realize anything different, but we are at Jason's mom's house. And I slept good last night. How was your sleep, babe?
Good.
Yeah, my sleep did good. Me
I
keep on
running in that corner when I eat your pie.
me did cool too.
So you feature up on me?
But me not sleep so. Guys, even if me fall asleep itch up on Jason in the night, I am gone.
I always hear them tell. I always hear you tell them how me sleep. Tell them how you sleep.
Why you not tell them how me sleep?
Remember I just start me used to start a girl I'm mad with you know. You ain't just sleep, you ain't just this you ain't just sleep people. It's a fan go so.
Yeah, stop it. That's a lie. You're extra bad.
That's what she
When
said.
me a dream.
Then when people sleep what they do.
Sleep.
Oh.
Me keep on a look on Jason here every minute because me give him some plot. But for some strange reason, them just look so fine. And Jason have ear where when you plait it, it fluffy. Me probably did plait them too tight.
Yeah man, so it'll take long to pull out this time.
That's all him care about. How you feeling in your room? This used to be a room.
I don't feel like my room again. Feeling gone. What me feel good for now
Feeling
something.
gone?
Yeah, babe, I have my own room now. With you. Yeah, I said I tell you, get ready to Mommy used to take your first time. As we know, my mother we say morning, babe, mother they only host a circle. You know when I wake up, even when I wake up as my mother, yeah, right? That's what she will do. Okay. I'm fit, my mother walk early, you know, so my mother.
Yeah, she wake up early.
She probably know say we in here from long time.
But you know the funniest thing, we used to think we're outsmarter, but really never.
No, sir.
And we find out that when me and Jason move and go live for one.
I gotta tell you too, the trick is in this up. Because right through this up, you can't hear without loud.
Oh
And
my
when you-
God,
and
babe,
when you-
don't tell me.
No man, where do you learn it? So, right, this up. If you done behind the wall there, you can't hear everything what me.
Oh my God.
So you can imagine what Sister White heard around here. We were here busy talking to each other. Babe, I love you, babe, I love you. That's all. So babe, we are, oh my God, for not never happened.
No, never.
Exactly.
You guys probably wondering how long we're gonna stay. I'm not sure. Cause you know, everybody have to play them part. When one person busy, somebody else have to jump in.
True.
And you guys know that Jody sometimes work from home.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
still have to give her a little break.
Yeah, still have to give her a break because sort out her business and get stuff done along with Lovell because Lovell Lovell come down here as well. And every time Lovell come, she record. So that's the thing one need to bear in mind as well. So Lovell
Me
come.
either. Enough time.
Yeah, enough time we down
either.
here and we not record
Yeah.
either. In regards to mommy's progress, it's coming on good. Like it's really good. I look at her back yesterday and me start to see her skin a come back and that really did make me feel good. Like me can, you know when the black something them, you know your skin, what else called? Yeah.
Scab?
No. It's like her skin coming back. So you have the black dot them.
Oh.
I go jump up now, brush my teeth, bathe. Oh, before I even do that, I need to iron your clothes. And then start the day. What you don't want for breakfast? What mommy would I want for breakfast?
That is the question.
Because I just used to ask you so much. Like I don't ask anybody else what they want for breakfast 5 years now.
I'm your man. Let me get a gift, man. Ask you where I want me.
Yeah, I know what I was saying.
No,
Before
but I
me
say,
say what
weird for you.
mommy want for breakfast,
It feel
me
weird.
still ask you like, babe, what you want for breakfast?
5 years now, me ask you the same set of question. Them too.
We both ask each other the same questions.
So what you want to do? What that?
What are you saying, Jason?
What is well? And so me confused her a while. Hey, she cute and she confused. Yo, my girl, you ever smell good? That's how me can tell. Oh, people are watch. Smooth body, cute face, Indian hair.
You give me Indian here?
Baby, you're Indian. What do you think you have? Listen, but everybody say me they're Indian, so he's an Indian.
Give me my back one massage. Come over my back and rub it.
Baby, you know some real one thing we say. If you don't know how to massage good, you can hurt a person. So in order to not hurt your back. What me do for spite? What me do? See, you see? Yeah, I said no, me do it for spite. What's feeling now?
I love you.
I love you too.
I said love.
No, tell him why me have this.
Because I said I love you.
I love you.
I said love.
I love you. That's what you
I
said.
love you, babe.
I love you, babe.
Thanks for always put a smile on my face. You give me headache sometimes in a butt.
Bro, who give nobody idiot like you?
You.
Sure.
It feels so good because I balance my happiness. Take no offense, my happiness not only come from you.
Why you feel me not take offense with that?
All of my happiness not come from Jason. I can say though, you really make me happy. And you play a big part in that, but I find other stuff to bring me happiness. I don't plan for a breakup, but if we should break up, you're not gone with all of my happiness. Like something is still there, left behind for me to be happy about. Yeah. So now that's out the way. Another thing, I see somebody comment and say, I always pack up and ready to leave if I saw me I go behave when I'm married. And that's a very good question. I really appreciate it. To be honest, when me and Jason married, I don't think much I got change. It's just the status I got change.
I don't see that
Because
you don't see it different.
exactly, when you go married to somebody, you can't wait until marriage to make certain stuff change in the relationship. You have to change it before you get married. Unless me young and just don't know what me I say. But this is how I would want it to be.
No, but realistically, if we're there, what, 5, nearly 6 years now, see? We live together for majority of the time. Like, what would that change? What would we change dramatically when we're married though?
That's the same thing I'm wondering. Because if you can't do it good now, or you can't, if we can't live good now or get certain stuff done together or communicate, just an example, I just name out random stuff. When we get married, why we think that I gonna change? And really and truly just the status change.
Yeah, really the status.
I want everything. It's that no relationship is perfect, but I want everything to depend on the right path before we even get married. So to answer your question, because Mr. a lot, things now gonna change. I am going to do the same Andrew. And as I say, me and people now gonna see things eye to eye, and it's okay. If you're watching this, are you ever in a situation like this, and you know say, and then not always have to be a partner. If you and your mother go at it, if you and your father go at it, if you and your cousin or your friend, and you feel like say it might get worse, run.
True.
And them there's stuff for me I go teach my child when he grow up. I'm so ready for this. I've never done it before, but my feel say being a mother, certain stuff just instilling in your head. Like automatically the mommy more chippy in. I'm ready to tell my kids them that, especially my boy. If you're your partner, have a conversation and you realize that them right, you realize that him or her right, it's okay to give credit, it's okay to say, babe, you did right, you know, you make a lot of sense. You know, don't just have them feel like the point that they made is not valid or,
And
you know.
sometimes it shouldn't take you to have to calm down and go in a one corner and vex and pout and then come back. Sometimes the person can say that you can actually look into yourself mid-argument and be like, this makes sense. I feel a way, but still this makes sense. You know what? Thank you, cool.
Work in progress.
I know.
But I'd rather to go in a car than more than argue.
Trust me.
Well guys, I'm gonna end off the video now. You know, this is just a little, you know, something, just an update so that you guys know what's up. I'm gonna go iron some clothes to Jason, bed, and then make some breakfast. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you did a long time, thanks for your trod the journey with me, road to 100k. Bye.